Hey everyone, happy return to Shib KAI. This month, Amazon transformed Shiba Inu into a $2 behemoth. In this video, we'll talk about how Amazon turned Shiba Inu into a $2 giant this month. Investors were expecting the price declines that have been observed over the last 2 weeks to be corrections before a rally, but based on a critical indicator, it appears that the meme coin may be headed toward disappointment. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. In contrast, over the same period, the relative strength index has been trending upward. The indicator rose from the oversold zone under 30.0 and has been moving up towards the neutral line at 50.0, forming an uptrend line. When combined, the price action and RSI's movement highlight the formation of a possible hidden bearish trend. The Shiba Inu price, trading at 0.168, failed to breach the downtrend line that it has been stuck under for the better part of March. The downtrend line was initially formed when the meme coin slipped back onto the charts after testing the 100-day exponential moving average as resistance. Disturbance. If this pattern persists, the price of Shibu may drop over the course of the next several trading sessions. This would cause the meme coin to drop to a crucial support level of 0.979, which would represent a 2-month low for the altcoin. Should this support level be lost, the SHIB would further drop to its December 2022 lows, signaling a 25% decline in the value of the cryptocurrency. This would be extremely detrimental to investors, who recently acquired more than 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a single week, as the supply on exchanges shows a decline of over $475. A decrease in supply typically indicates the start of a short-term accumulation trend. It may also indicate that SHIB holders are withdrawing their tokens from exchanges and storing them in cold wallets, though this is a remote possibility given that the fall in supply was not observed even after FTX crashed 4 months ago. Shibu holders' actions are unexpected given that earlier this week the network had its biggest losses since June 2021 and that coins as a whole moved on. Shane pointed out losses of about 575 million SHIB, or less than $62,000, but on-chain indicates significant losses, so if the gloomy when divergence occurs, the price of the Shiba Inu falls to December 2022 lows. SHIB investors would contribute to the overall losses across the network. The protocol's goal, according to the developers of Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling solution, is to enable rapid and economical transactions. Freshly available public records disclose that according to Shiba Inu, which released its beta version earlier this month, aims to achieve true decentralization by developing a protocol that levies negligible, if any, transaction costs. With every product created on the Layer 2 protocol, Inu lead developer Shoshir Kusuma will offer inexpensive transfer costs, emphasizing that the objective is to complete transactions in seconds for less than cents. Billed as the People's Blockchain, Sharian aims to evolve into a scalable, transparent, and safe blockchain that serves as the foundation for new project development. The blockchain serves as a foundation for the construction of decentralized applications, or DApps, such as Shib the Metaverse. It also guarantees the safe and transparent creation and exchange of digital assets. Shiba Eternity and other goods offer platforms and services that are part of the larger Shiba. More information about Sharam's burning method can also be found in the Inu community public documentation. According to the document, the burn mechanism will activate after the protocol has accumulated a particular quantity of bone. Shibaswap is a token that will be used for gas fees on Shibario when a user makes a transaction on the network. The base fee is locked on a contract on Sharam, while the priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be split in half, with 70% burned and 30% set aside to maintain the network. Once users accumulate a certain amount of bone, $25,000 in the burn contract, they can begin the burn process from Sharam. Currently trading for 0.0011, the price of Shiba Inu has decreased by 0.5% in the last day, with its dip to 0.154 occurring on a day when the market has barely moved. This represents an 8% rise over its 30-day low of 0.973, while the meme token has also gained an impressive 30% since the start of the year. Shib appears poised to expand on its previous gains in the upcoming weeks, especially after the L2 has its full public launch. Indicators point to a potential quick recovery, with both its 30-day moving average and relative strength index declining recently. The RSI increased to 40 from 30 earlier in the month when it hit oversold levels, and the 30-day average is on the verge of dropping below the 200-day average, indicating that an altcoin rally is imminent. Shib presently has a critical resistance level of 0.0011, which it has failed to cross a few times in the last few weeks. If it can successfully breach this level, more rises are definitely in store, but Shib will probably need to the continued rollout of Shiba Inu, which is currently live in beta form, may indicate that the token witnesses significant gains shortly, particularly when the Layer 2 network makes its complete public launch, according to the wider market, which is also expected to mount a recovery concurrently. There are two aspects of Sharam that are really positive. The first is technical, and the second is economic. First, by increasing capacity and decreasing transaction fees, the Layer 2 network will strengthen decentralization and improve security. Second, the L2 launch will cause a 70% destruction of the base transaction fee, increasing Shinu's burn rate and creating a strain on the ship supply, which will raise the coin's price and relative demand. Sharam's efficiency gains will draw more users to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and its apps, increasing the effect and potentially increasing the price of ships. As a result, we may see a gradual increase in ship prices throughout the year, a process that will be aided by Sharam. Ship the Metaverse, a virtual environment with a Shiba Inu motif, was also launched at the same time. Here, players can buy, explore, and trade 10,595 NFT-based territories in addition to a vast assortment of in-game commodities. Amazon's entry into the NFT and Web3 PH is much anticipated. Reports indicate that the tech giant is preparing to launch its new initiative next month. Sources state that approximately 15 collections will be available from the launch date of March 24 under the Amazon Digital Marketplace tab. The team has high hopes for the platform, which it describes on its official website as the future of entertainment business and gaming all rolled into one. In fact, it's likely that Sharam alone will push Shib up to 0.0015 and 0.00002, while the eventual arrival of the Metaverse could see it rise even higher to 0.00005 or perhaps 0.001 by the end of 2023. According to reports, the launch has been delayed twice because of recent industry developments, such as the demise of FTX. Notably, Amazon's upcoming Web3 initiative is not open source, which means that not everyone can view its software code. NFTs can only be purchased with an Amazon account and a credit card. According to the article, a private blockchain that is incompatible with the Ethereum virtual machine was Amazon's technological choice. That's it for now. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The report, which cited a person with knowledge of the situation, stated that developers who want to make their NFTs available on Amazon's blockchain will need to use a bridge. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And that concludes our day. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.